Hey everyone, in today's video we're going to talk about the Monty Hall problem. To understand this problem and how to do it, you need to understand how the game works. So there's three doors behind which are two goats and a car. You pick one door and then the game show host will then pick another door that has a goat behind it and open it. Then you're given the option to either switch doors or stay at the current one. Now, I'm a visual learner, so I'm going to draw this out before I translate it into Python 3.7. Three doors. And this is if we don't switch doors. So I'll pick a random door. And let's say you pick door 1. Now the game show host is going to open door 3. And if we stay at the current one that we pick at number 1, we're going to lose. So just call this combo 1. Lose. Now, if we chose door 3, game show host is going to open door 1. And if we stay at 3, we're going to lose. So we'll call this combo 2. Lose. Now we pick door 2, and game show host either opens door 3 or 1, and we stay at the current door, we're going to win. Now, there's 3 combinations to this. So, out of 2 of them, we're going to lose. Out of 1, we'll win. Now let's go over to switching doors. Pick the same doors. Now, if we pick door 1, game show host is going to open door 3, and we switch, we're going to win. And if we pick door 3, game show host opens door 1, and we switch to 2, we're going to win. But if we pick door 2 and we switch to either one of them, we're going to lose. So we'll call this combo 3. All right. Now, the probability of winning is 2 out of 3, and losing 1/3. So it's obvious that switching doors every single time will give us a higher percentage of winning or higher probability of winning. So we know that if we switch doors, we're going to win 66% of the time, and we should lose approximately 33% of the time. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is import our modules. I think random is the only one we're going to be using since we need that for the prize door and the contestant door. And then let's make our list of doors. Then we're going to run this game 1,000 times and keep track of our win counts. That way we can figure out our percentage. And let's initialize our for loop. So let's do for I in range of the amount of games we're doing. We can make a variable prize door equal to the random module dot choice function of our list doors. Same thing with our contestant door. And our condition is if the contestant door is equal to our prize door, then we can just continue and not do anything since this is a lose condition, right? Otherwise, we know that if that's not the case, then we win the game. So we can just add a win count every single time. And Let's write out this equation. Percent of wins is equal to our win count divided by our games times 100. Then we can print this. And I'm gonna go read this over again to make sure it looks right. All right, let's run this. Nice. So we got 67.7% of the games guessed correctly. Let's keep running this again. Let's see how close we can get. 67.2, 63.7, 66.8. Yeah, so we're around that range. So we know that this algorithm works.